What I showed you in the last video is actually bad practice, but we had to get started somewhere. And what we did was we caught all errors with our try except block. So this is bad practice. We don't want to catch all errors. We want to only catch specific errors and then handle each one specifically. So for each error that we catch, we can do something differently and more specific. Okay, so if you take a look at, this has been reproduced from above. And so here I've made index equal to 5. So it tries this right here. This results in an error. And then we go, execution goes down here into index failed. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a small change over here. And to catch a specific error, you put the error name over here. So not, sorry, it's an index error that we want to catch. So nothing is going to change here right now. But it's only going to catch an index error and not all errors. Okay, so if we change this to, let's just say, some string, now you'll see a type error is raised. So what has happened here is that, this try except block does not catch type errors. It only catches index errors. So that means a bad index. So the index is now a string. The string has been passed over here. And so Python says, all right, well, that's an error, but it's a type error, and it can only catch index errors. So that means we put in a bad index, which means a bad integer value. And so notice how it does not go down to this normal continuation of the program. We did not catch this error. Okay, so I'll show you how to catch. We could change this to type error, so maybe I could do that real quick so you can see that. And so that would change that. So now it catches a type error. So it says index fail, and then normal continuation of the program continues down here. So if I make it an index error, so let's just go back to, say, 5, then it'll say, all right, well, there's an index error here, and it just, program execution stops right here. It doesn't run this line. It doesn't run any of these lines over here. It just stops immediately right here because it is not caught. So we get that index error out of range. Now, if we have a correct index, say 2, then all of the try executes correctly, and then it moves down over here to the normal continuation of the program. We don't even have to worry about this except because no error has arisen. Okay, so if you just use except with nothing over here to the right, it'll catch all the errors. Again, that is bad practice. You need to put the error name over here so to handle each one appropriately. All right, so that's how you can catch specific errors.